Hi everybody. In today's session, let's learn about storage gateway. So this works for hybrid scenario. Let us say you have a system on premise and you want to use the storage from AWS cloud. So how to do that? So there should be an agent between AWS and your system that is nothing but your storage gateway. Let's do the practical so that you will understand how to mount a S3 cloud storage onto your system. First and foremost thing, you have to create this storage gateway. Let us see how to create it. Click on create gateway and give the gateway name. Let us give my gateway and which file system you want to do. For our practical purpose, S3 file system I will take, but you have FSX, tape gateway, volume gateway, so many options. And as I don't have any on-premise system, I am assuming one Amazon EC2 system for my purpose. Let's create Amazon EC2 and key pair. I will select my Linux and click on next. So before that, launch instance. So an instance getting launched for you, which is used for as a storage gateway. Now our EC2 has been launched. Close this and click on next. Connect to AWS. So publicly accessible I will check for our practical purpose and IP address I will give. Click on next. It's taking some time. Next one is gateway details. Click on next. I don't need any logging, so deactivate logging. And I don't need any no alarm. If you want to set up, you can set up. And let this be load all the local disks. So the disk is also loaded. AWS DB 150 GB, use it for cache. And let's configure it. So gateway, my gateway is got created. And now we have to decide on S3, which S3 file system you want to use. So go to S3, and you can see so many buckets already there. So for my purpose, let me use Gopala PKT PRA. So make a note out of that. Go back. Now I will create a file share. So create a file share. So which gateway you want? Already created my gateway and S3 bucket name. I want to use existing bucket name. Network file system, FS3, everything. Next. Next. I don't need anything. Next. Create. So file share has been created. So click on this. You can see all the details, whatever has been created. So until now, we have created storage gateway and we have created file share and attached the S3 storage. So for our practical purpose, let me create one EC2 instance. So go to EC2, EC2. Let me create an instance, launch instance. I will take a small instance, Red Hat Linux and my Linux or Linux, whatever you call, Red Hat. free tier eligible, T2 micro, key pair name, let me give my Linux. Okay, launch instance. Let the instance be launched and let it be running. If we see for storage gateway, one large system M5 X large has been created and my Linux system is there T2 micro. Let me log into the public IP through PuTTY. Paste the IP, again key, browse. What is the key? My Linux. Let me open it, accept it, and log in through ECT user. Enter sudo su logged in as root. Now I should have NFS on this machine. So let us install that. Sudo yum install nfs -utils. Say yes. So NFS is getting installed here. Let us wait it for its completion. That's good. Let us create cd a directory mkdir, any name you can create. My storage. Let me put as my storage. Enter. So you have created a directory, my storage. Now, how to mount your storage gateway or file share in this? So for that purpose, I have to go to file share. See on Linux, what is the command? It's already been given. So copy this one and go to your PuTTY session and just paste it there. So here, what is the mount path? Just now we created. Let me copy it again. And mount path is our bucket name. Our bucket name is my storage. So I am mounting the S3 bucket to this my storage folder. Just so it's been created. So let me go to my storage. ls. So whatever files are there in the system, you can see here. Let us say, let me create a file, touch file 1. Okay, ls. So file 1 is here. Okay, let us see if the same thing exists on our S3. So go to S3 bucket. If this is the bucket we used for file share, refresh this one. After some time, file 1 will come here. So, or else let me do one thing, upload, add files. Let me take one file, open it, upload. So the file 1, whatever has been created there, it's reflected here. If at all you create a file here, it will reflect there. So it's a mount only, so it's pointing to the same folder. That's how storage gateway works. Thank you.